Can see the
Put them in.
pieces?
Put it in then.
Hard.
Push down.
I can't do it. Ugh. I can't.
So what's in the flat?
Yay, it's dry.
Nice.
Now we can do a picture again. It's not dry yet.
Oh wow, that looks beautiful. Then you got
It's
the
not
nice green.
dry yet.
Then you got nice green leaves.
Look at that. Beautiful. I made the kitty.
Oh yeah.
The flowers. What the flowers have to go? The flowers can go big. No, Eva!
Okay, Zoe, she just wants to play with you.
Oh, I'm gonna put it here so you can't reach it.
Oh, that's not nice not to play with your little sister.
She's bad.
No, she's not. She's just a baby. She just wants to play with you. Wait, say sorry.
Sorry.
Oh, really? Do you accept her apology? Not only do I accept, I'm going to come over again. Oh, yeah? Come on over.
And those all dark pink. Look at those all pink.
Yeah.
Look.
Beautiful.
Look.
It's beautiful. I see it.
Look. No, Eva. No. Look at my picture. Look at my picture.
It's nice.
I like it.
Okay, I guess we'll say goodbye for now. You gonna say bye to the camera?
Bye.
Okay.